Dogs are getting restless. Hey, a little quick tip on cilantro, guys. This is our cilantro. When you buy it in the store, save this little bag. You put it in a cup of water. All right, put that bag over it and put it in the fridge. It'll probably last for at least 2 weeks, easily.
Yep.
Easily. We put our green onion in there as well. If we have green onion that week. So just a little tip right there. Just wanted to keep that out so that they go sweeter. These poached eggs, guys, we got this little thing. They don't sell it anymore on not this simple anyway, but on Amazon they have a little like souped up version. But this is like just a simple version of poaching eggs. Put a little water down here. You put the eggs in here, and then you cover it up and turn it on. It takes like 7 minutes to poach 3 eggs.
Yep.
And legit, that costs like $12 for that thing.
Yeah.
They don't sell it anymore. There is a version of it. Look for Hamilton Beach. I do have it on my website, but it is amazing. It cooks it perfect every time.
Yep.
It's easy. You don't have to do all that water stuff.
Yeah.
Anyway.
We love it.
One thing on the shrimp, guys, make sure you wash it. We buy this shrimp. We love this shrimp. It's called Argentine Reds, but it comes frozen. And when they freeze it, they do devein it, but the poop does leave with the shrimp. As I was washing it out, there's a lot of poop in there. Because when you devein shrimp, you're pulling the poop chute out. So some people don't care, we do. But anyway, as I was washing it and it was thawing out, I noticed some of the poop was sticking to it. So wash your shrimp, especially if you get it frozen.
Never knew you hear the word poop so many times in a meal prep video.
That's new to me. I never did that. I just washed it, never really paid attention. Because Argentine Reds do have all this red around it, so
they're so good, y'all.
They're so good. They're just kind of a creamy, just
they have
real
a natural
rich
buttery flavor to them that Gulf shrimp.
Yeah, buttery is what I was looking
Gulf
for.
shrimp don't have that.
Yeah.
So
So all around.